Sunrise is located in Suyang Economic Development Zone of Jiangsu Province, which is a national industrial park in the cross-radiation area of Yangtze River Delta Economic Circle and Huaihai Economic Circle, which has the most economic vitality in China. It has a production base of nearly 80,000 square meters and complete facilities. Sunrise is a modern enterprise which integrates technology, research and development, product design, production and manufacture, pre-sales and after-sales service as one to provide one-stop service for the whole production line of food and beverage. Jiangsu Shangshou Biotechnology Co. Limited is located in Jianyang District, Taizhou City, Central Jiangsu Province, with convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Now it owns many brands, such as Shangshou, Jingen and Langyue Kachi, and externally to provide OEM, ODM business. The daily output of each production line is 20,000 boxes, which will become the leader of beverage industry in Jiangsu Province in the near future. The water treatment system filters and purifies the raw water to meet the standard of pure water for beverage production. The pre-treatment system can realize the blending function of many kinds of drinks through high-quality design and configuration. The aseptic auxiliary unit is a necessary peripheral equipment for aseptic production line. It is necessary to ensure the aseptic treatment of filling materials, production environment packaging materials, empty bottles and caps, during filling process. It adopts COP and SOP to clean and sterilize the internal and external surfaces of equipment, and adopt sterile air to keep the filling environment under positive pressure. It adopts CIP and SIP to clean and sterilize the material pipeline to achieve level 100 clean environment. The machine is mainly composed of bottle preform lifting system, automatic preform sorting system, heating furnace, main blowing machine, electrical controlling system, and pneumatic control system. The aseptic cold filling production line is to optimize the soak spray, cleaning and sterilization technology, sealing and isolation technology, microbial detection and control technology, air purification technology, filling and sealing technology, automatic control technology, and so on, so as to achieve sterility of filling materials, packaging environment and packaging containers, and ultimately ensure that the product reach commercial sterility. The whole machine is modular, intelligent operation, simple cleaning and accurate filling. The equipment can realize the function of 28 and 38 bottle mouth type, interchange and adding fruit granules, which can greatly expand the beverage filling process and maintain the nutritional composition, flavor and color of beverage products, especially for some heat-sensitive drinks. It provides a wide range of space for the diversification of product appearance design and cost reduction of PET bottle. automated stereoscopic warehouse. The above equipment has advanced technology, excellent material selection, reliable performance, and strong adaptability, which greatly improve the automation and scale of the whole production line. As a few enterprises in China with aseptic filling technology, Sunrise's professional technical team can provide you with the most comprehensive solution for PET aseptic filling production line. Sunrise has provided aseptic filling production line for Huizhou Yilia, Jilin Tuomenjiang Pharmaceutical, Jiangsu Zhangshou, Hebei Jingbang, and many other factories, and has been widely praised by customers. Sunrise is committed to providing comprehensive solutions and services to